Hi everyone, and welcome to this short Java tutorial. The topic today is recursion. We're going to look at an example where we will calculate the total number of ears with 5 bunnies. And of course we know that the answer will be 10. This is how to solve the problem using recursion. I've set up a static method here called bunny ears, which accepts as a parameter the number of bunnies that we're going to be working with. And this example has 5 bunnies. We're going to return the total number of ears, and the result will be 10. So this is how the method works. 5 comes into the method. It doesn't equal 1, so we don't do that. We simply return 2 plus bunny ears, bunnies minus 1. Notice that with the method is calling itself. The only thing that's changing is the number of bunnies, and let me explain why. When we had 5 bunnies, what we're going to do is take the first one, which has 2 ears, and pass the remaining number of bunnies back into the bunny ears method. There are 4 bunnies remaining. So this becomes 4, and it returns 2 plus bunny ears 3. Again, this 2 refers to the next bunny that we need to process. This bunny also has 2 ears. And we have 3 remaining bunnies. So now bunnies is 3, and we will return 2 plus bunny ears 2, because this 2 here refers to the next bunny that we're going to process, leaving us with 2 bunnies. So this becomes 2. So here we have bunny ears 2, and we're going to return 2 plus, well, that's where the 2 is coming from. We have 2 bunny ears here, plus bunny ears 1. There is 1 bunny remaining. So back we come to the bunny ears method. It calls itself. This is now 1, and here we have our end case. If bunnies is 1, we will simply return the value 2, because the final bunny has 2 ears. We no longer need to use this recursive method call. We're down to the last bunny. This is the end case. We simply return 2. And that's how recursion works in Java. To help us just further understand this, I'm going to focus very quickly on this magical line of code. Return 2 plus bunny ears, bunnies minus 1. Let's have a look at how this works. Now remember, we started with calling the bunny ears method with 5 bunnies. And when we call this method, it returns 2 plus bunny ears 4. Okay? When bunnies equals 5, we return 2 plus bunny ears 4. So that's what this method will return. Now, what is bunny ears 4? We don't know. We don't know the exact number that this is going to return, but we do know that bunny ears 4 returns 2 plus bunny ears 3. And bunny ears 3 returns 2 plus bunny ears 2. And bunny ears 2 returns 2 plus bunny ears 1. And this is where we get to the end case. Bunnies is equal to 1, which means we simply return 2. This method call returns 2, because that is our end case. When bunnies equals 1, we simply return 2. So, let's look at what's happening. We return 2, so this method actually resolves to the value 2. So now this method is returning 2 plus 2, which is 4. So this resolves to 4. So this method is returning 2 plus 4, which is 6. So this method call, bunny ears 4, is returning 2 plus 6, which is 8. So this is returning 2 plus 8, which is 10. And that is the value that is being displayed or stored at the end of the recursive loop.